want to say a big thank you to the Bee and Flower team for very kindly sending me some shampoo to try. This is the Botanical Anti-Dandruff Shampoo, which is really great for people like myself who've got fine, thinning hair. If you're prone to oiliness and dandruff as well, this is going to be really fantastic for you. This is actually my second bottle, and I do really feel personally that it has made my hair much more shinier than it was before. And I really like the fact that it's designed not just for your hair, but also your scalp. And that ginger is known for scalp stimulation to improve your hair right from the roots. And not only did this lather up really nicely, it has a really beautiful floral smell as well. And it's really gentle and doesn't irritate at all. It's really, really nice. It's not only vegan, but it's also cruelty free as well, which ticks an amazing box and comes in a 400ml bottle. I really like how it's designed specifically to lock in that moisture and to give you lots of shine. I feel personally the results speak for themselves. And to complete your experience, a conditioner is also available separately. Big thank you again to the team for very kindly sending out to me these shampoo bottles to try. I really love my experience so far, and I really do recommend it.